No, but I'm happy we could get it done.
Absolutely, bro.
I answered the itch, you know?
I take this over a gold Nautilus. I just like AP more.
This watch is so hot, bro.
Yeah.
Alright guys, I think Amar just tiled me into a watch.
TimePieceTrading, bro.
You already know with TPT.
Shout out TimePieceTrading. TimePieceTrading.
Yes, sir.
What do you guys move the most? RMs or APs?
Honestly, a lot of APs and a lot of
sexy.
RMs. But like AP, what we do is a lot more like the limited stuff. Patek, we sell instant, bro. Like anything that comes into the office, within 1-2 days, it's gone. It leaves. Right now, I have like 2 Cubituses. I have one factory set. I have 5712 on
Are
strap.
people buying these or no?
Yeah, they're a little slower, but they're good models. Like they're not bad. I actually like the way they fit on wrist too.
These?
Yeah. It's a cool watch. Yeah, bro, I love the jumbos, honestly.
A little early birthday gift?
What's your birthday soon?
Coming up, yeah.
Fire. When's your birthday?
November 6th.
Nice. Happy early birthday, bro.
Yes, sir. That is clean.
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
And the blue dial on this is the best, bro.
RITZ got the best gifts in the world, bro.
Oh, I bet. Real life Santa Claus.
You want to try it on?
Yes, sir.
And then you know how the clasps work, right? The
Yes,
AP,
sir.
the side with the AP, it goes last. All right, so this side goes first. You just fold the clasp in, and then this last. So this side always goes last. Otherwise, you'll like
scratch it.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's clean.
So I'll put like, I think 2 links out for you.
Yeah.
Sheesh. Yeah, bro, it's beautiful.
That's
like I
good.
said before, the shine on the AP bracelet is like no
Like
other.
no
you
other,
know?
yeah. Yeah, this is hands down my favorite piece.
Yeah.
Obviously, the boys had nothing but good things to say.
Thank you, bro.
Champ just
Appreciate
picked up
that.
his piece recently, so
100%.
you know, it was a no-brainer.
And yeah, if you have any problems with that, which I'm guaranteeing you that you won't, well, obviously take care of it. We're right here, and we're neighbors, so.
No, this is clean,
Yeah.
man.
I remember at Boxer, once you stopped me, you're like, yeah, bro, I need to come pick something up soon. You know?
Need to.
And it happened a year later.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, that's fine.
Appreciate you getting it done,
No,
man.
of course, no problem. It was very easy, very smooth. When you texted me on what, like Tuesday?
Well, to be honest, I actually texted you a while ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Bro, like
I
back
put you guys in a group chat like 2-3 months ago, and
Literally,
he's been
bro.
like, bro, yeah, I haven't heard back from him.
We're on WhatsApp or on text?
On text, yeah,
Yeah.
on text.
But you texted me directly, and it happened like.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
I mean, luckily I wasn't like super desperate to like
Uh-huh.
pick it up. I'm like, oh, you know, I'll keep looking around.
Yeah.
But like, I wanted to pull the trigger soon, so I'm like, let me just hit my man up directly.
My bad, bro. My
No,
phone gets
good.
crazy sometimes, and if I don't answer, it just like I don't know. I lose
I
it,
figured,
you know?
bro. That's a good problem to have, though.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, thank God. No, but I'm happy we could get it done.
Absolutely, bro.
At least I
Same,
answered
same,
in time this
same.
time, bro. I answered the itch, you know?
Matthew, we're gonna have to size this. Okay. First time Sully seeing his new purchase. Guys, he's picked up, I wanna say this is the 3rd watch this year. The last pickup he got on his wrist, rose gold 41mm Royal Oak chronograph, black dial, stunning timeless watch. But he actually needed a daily. And he came in the other day, we showed him some options. He went with the panda, beautiful daily, bro. And with the outfit right now, it's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, I'm happy. I needed a daily. I needed a stainless steel watch.
No, and it's unpolished, and bro, the condition very mint. Looks like the guy wore it like 2-3 times, you know? Because these bracelets scratch easy. And there's not a lot of scratches on there at all. Beautiful. Dude, it looks epic, bro, Sully. Put this real quick on your wrist. Let me see some for the same.
This is my next watch.
It looks sick with the black and white, bro. No, I think I'm 1 size bigger than you.
Yeah.
1 link different.
Oh, this is another level. How much is that?
That looks nice on you, dude. 320,000.
Damn, bro.
But I want to say that's probably the most recognized Richard Mille, you
Yeah,
know?
you can see it from far.
Yeah.
But the next one I'm getting, bro, is the RM10.
Looks nice,
Yeah.
huh? I take this over a gold Nautilus. I just like AP more, like the
Yeah.
look on the wrist.
Me
Really.
too. I like the bracelet more, like the shape, yeah.
It's more young. Like Patek, it's like old.
Yeah. But the one that I just got is also like a little bit classy, you know? Like when
Yeah,
I wear a
very,
shirt or-
very classy.
Yeah.
But it's also casual.
Yeah.
Can do both. Wait, we're recording? Yo, so for those of you who don't know,
bro, listen.
that's
I
Jacob.
need permission.
That's Jacob from Carrier Motor Cars, and he's the man. I actually bought my last 3 Ferraris from him. He's gotten like 6, 7, 8, 10 million in cars from Jacob. Good guy, good guy.
That was the first month, bro.
And how old are you? 27. Pretty crazy. You see, like in Miami, we're always humbled. There's always a bigger fish.
How old are you? Like 35, right? Oh, fuck. All right, so what do we got
It
here?
looks so nice in the box, huh? Look, and then the paper is supposed to go here. Like that?
Oh, okay, that's supposed to go in there?
Yeah.
Fire. This watch is so hot, bro.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, what is going on? Y'all see the box. You know what time it is. You know what big dog's in the office right now. My brother. We got FX Alex back for another one. Bro, you have the Richard. We just customized this beautiful date for him. Yo, show the audience. Very unique, one of one dial, custom made by us. But he just went ahead and got himself the Jacob & Co. You see the box, Casino Roulette Tourbillon. Now, Alex, first thing, before we put the watch on wrist, red or black? $1,000. Let's go, let's make the real fire.
All right, black.
$5,000?
$1,000.
$1,000. Red or black?
Black.
Black. Perfect. Let's make sure. Okay.
$1,000. Easy money. Fuck! All right,
All right, I'm gonna add 1,000 to the invoice, sir.
Fuck!
But guys, he went ahead. Jacob & Co. Casino Tourbillon, limited to 101 pieces. Most watches, they come with a little warranty card. This big boy comes with a passport. Only 101 pieces in the world.
We'll do the right side.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you very much.
I hope you win the next spin on your watch.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
All right, now I gotta go make the money back, bro. All right,
And
there you go.
I think what you need is more of a. Yeah, that's a good one. That's also a decent one. Do you like white though?
How much is it?
Son, can you help me with the pricing on these in your computer? The 26574 ST, the white.
Or like a Vacheron too?
This is sick. This is a white gold perpetual.
Too much. What's that?
Steel retrograde.
26574.
This one's cool though. And the the titanium?
Same rough.
26574 Ti. You know what my cost is on this, bro? I've had this for like 3 years.
Really?
Which is very rare. Like it just doesn't happen. My cost is so high on this. Tell him our cost. It's like 250. Yeah, 270. And how much are we selling it for?
112.5. Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah. Sometimes you take an L, bro.
Yeah, I don't want to.
Massive L.
I don't want to buy the dip. I'm good.
I mean, you never know. Buying the dip is sometimes good. No, but I feel you. Maybe just like a steel
What about the Vacheron?
chrono. Which one?
Expensive?
This one?
Yeah.
The retrograde, bro?
No, this one.
Oh, the sorry, yeah, the retrograde. This is the retro, and that's white gold. That's steel. 30 to 50 AP models are just selling
Yeah.
right away. There's just so many people that want it too.
It's too thin.
Is it thin?
Is that one thin too?
It might be a little different. It is thin though. They're all thin. That's how
Oh,
Vacherons are.
gotcha.
This one's heavier.
Looks like kind of small on my wrist, right? A little bit, or no?
I mean, bro, I think AP would be cooler unless you want to go. You want to do something different. That is a really nice piece.
Yeah, I think something with a black face probably.
Yeah, I'll let you know when I have like a good AP for you. And if you
I mean,
do
you'll let
did
me know. I need something
if you did
today.
want something, this is cool or this is cool. You're good. You're gonna be good on them.
Let me try this one.
The titanium, I got you. And this is a lot lighter. This is titanium, that's steel.
Gotcha. No, but I don't like the blue. I thought it was black.
Yeah, it's blue with gray.
Yeah, I want like a black. Let me try on the white one.
I like the white one. It's complete set, bro.
Mm-hmm.
I'll do 80. But 1 sec, I want to just check something.
Alright guys, I think Amar just styled me into a watch. I need one watch, so.
You do need one watch. You actually do. You shouldn't be wearing.
Yeah, I know,
you
I
shouldn't
know.
be wearing nothing.
Nah, just like eventually.
And you're. I promise you, the price is very good.
Alright, cool. I'll take this one.
I see. I told you, one person selling it for 85. I'm telling you, and that's dealer to dealer. So cool.
Alright, yeah, I'll take this.
Perfect.
And then
Let me just.
I
make
do
sure
wanna
this
try
is
on a
full
chain.
length, bro. I got you. Son, can you help with
What
that?
shoe do you want to try, bro?
the heaviest one. I just want
Cuban?
to feel cool.
Cuban links?
Yeah, I guess.
Do you have a preference to white, yellow, or rose gold?
White.
White gold? Alright, I got you.
And you guys do like custom pendants too?
Yeah, for sure. You gotta get something with like your logo?
I mean, I just want like for the occasional like. I would never wear this like every day, but you know.
Yeah.
When you're out.
Can I put both on at the same time?
Yeah, for sure.
How does it look? That is so crazy.
That is sick.
Can I try on the frosted AP2 with this?
Yeah, white gold, right?
Yeah, I just gotta go for
Oh yeah,
white
can you
now.
get the white gold frosted skull, please?
Yo, what's up to all my haters out there? Damn. Why need a thumbnail shot right here?
Bro, where's my eyes?
I took it off.
Nah, more the watch is enough, bro.
You've seen this one, right?
Yeah. You show me.
Do you have any chains?
Nope.
Never had?
Never had. Okay, I'll actually look at like a normal diamond one.
Like a tennis chain?
Like something like that over there.
Yeah. They're cool.
Those are all the bags you have. How much are the mini Cali's?
Depends on which one, but they're like 20 to 30.
Okay. And the blue Burke on top?
Blue one. This one, like honestly, if you wanted to rock it a little bit shorter, so like look in the mirror.
Yeah.
If you wanted to get a bit shorter, like to sit, see like that changes the look completely of it.
You go up a little more? A fucking choker.
Yeah. So like the length, like when you're looking at the length, can really like affect how you feel about the piece because like you just want it to sit right where you like
Right.
it on the neck, but that can be adjusted very easily.
Yeah. Nah, I just don't like love it.